What's up, guys? It's Marissa.
And it's Gavin here with Krietz Customs. How you guys doing?
We are going to talk about what we want to see specifically in 2023. We know it's February and we're posting this in February. We're already a month behind.
Yeah, we're late. We need to get on the game.
I know, for real. So we're going to go ahead and get started February for the rest of the 10 months of 2023 and what we're looking forward to seeing and what we're hoping to see throughout this year. So starting off with let's do suspension.
Okay.
So suspension-wise, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for a coil over kit for, CCD, something that's compatible with the CCD suspension.
Ooh, like on the Fords?
Yeah.
Like the coil over with the reservoirs.
Also something with, Magneride, which has been around GM for quite some time. A coil over kit that's comparable and kind of fits those specific trucks, because I know it's something that's missed with the Magneride and the CCD suspension. So
because really you only have the spacer kits available for those types of options in vehicles.
Seriously.
Along the lines of that, some more stuff like with the SUVs. I know that right now the newer SUVs with the Magneride or the air rod control, you only have those spacer 3.5-inch kits. Nothing bigger than that. I know a lot of our customers want to see a bunch of like 6-inch kits, even some 4-inch kits, because some people like that 4-inch style rather than a full-out 6-inch suspension build. So that's something that could definitely be coming out hopefully soon that we can offer to our customers. Yeah. Even some of our builds.
I know Ford too, they make, something Rough Country does, they make, and BDS, a lot of suspension, they make a 4-inch and a 6-inch for a lot of the Fords. It's not quite out for the Chevys yet. They make a 3.5-inch with just the upper control arms, the struts, and the lift blocks really. And then they go right to a 6-inch. They don't really have that gap to see. Because I know, some people do prefer the 4-inch kit more so than the 6-inch.
Yeah, I mean, the only ones available for the GM trucks specifically are for the AT4s or even the Trail Bosses, things like the RSTs or just the custom trucks. So yeah, that's definitely something that we would love to see coming out, because I know a lot of our customers want that 4-inch kit.
Yeah, exactly.
Because I know with even the Fords and the Rams, you can do a 4-inch conversion kit, because once you go up to that 6-inch mark and you cut the cross members on them, you can't go back down into suspension unless you're going to a 4-inch kit. You can't go down to a 3.5 or even back down to a leveling kit. So that 4-inch kit's a good buffer for a lot of the customers that build them all the way to a 6-inch.
Yeah, for sure.
Which is nice.
Ooh, my specialty. Here we go. Wheels. I want to see Fuel come out with at least 3-4 new wheels. I'd like to see 4Play's Forge line also come out with a new series. Also probably
like design-wise.
Yeah. And then American Force, obviously everyone loves Forces. Them come out with a new design too. Yeah, that'd be pretty sweet. Yeah,
new designs are always good for a lot of our customers too, and keeping the warehouses stocked with them and then having availability for them too. I'd like to see Ford, like the 4Play wheels, have more color variety options. Yeah. Like matte black, all matte black, or all gloss black, rather than that brushed DDT finish they already offer. Yeah. So that would be something. And then
TIS has a really good line right now.
TIS always has Hot Wheels. Are you kidding me?
I think they're a little outdated. Like, they just haven't been producing some stuff. And I think if they made like 4 wheels, the 4 wheels on their line would be sweet.
Really?
Oh yeah, 100%.
You know what I want to see?
What?
A Krietz Customs line. I would love to see a wheel specifically for Krietz Customs that you guys rock on your builds. I would love to see that. Oh, going back to suspension, you know what else I'd like to see? A lot of people like the small wheel, big tire look. So a lot of the suspension kits that a lot of companies run, like the Rough Country, BDS, Ready Lift, they have to have 20-inch or larger aftermarket wheels. So suspension that can run 18s. Because we have a ton of customers that want to run 18s and 35s instead of 20s and 35s. Yeah. Because I don't want to say older guys, but it is the older guys that want the small wheels and big tires. You can definitely tell the generation divide.
Big sidewalk.
Big generational divide between, especially chrome and black wheels too. Yeah. There's not a lot of options in chrome anymore. It's just strictly polished or forged wheels. Yeah. So that's another thing too, having more chrome options for a lot of our customers instead of just going to that forged or polished look. Yeah, absolutely. So that's another thing.
Any 2-piece, 3-piece wheel needs to be
cut.
Obliterated.
Yeah, I agree. I know Fuel got rid of their two-piece wheels.
Yeah.
Which is good.
But there's still some out there and they just need to be gone forever.
I'm not a big fan of them. I don't like the chrome face and the black lip. It's just not a fan of mine. Yeah. I don't understand that.
Again, older population.
Older generational. Yeah. There's that divide again.
Yeah.
But yeah, not a big fan of 2-piece wheels.
I would also like to see some wheel brands. I know Force does this. They make like a 24 by 11 with a 0 offset.
Oh,
That
yes.
would be super interesting, especially on level builds if you're looking for like a 24-inch diameter wheel and less tire. I think that'd definitely be
more offset ranges for your bigger sizings. Because I know a lot of people want to run the 22x12s, but the 22x12s come with that -44 that stick out the 4 inches, and then you come into like rubbing issues, cutting on your brand new truck that a lot of people don't want. So that's actually a good one.
Yeah, and then like OEM Creations makes like just the OEM 22-inch wheels. I think that'd be kind of cool for like an aftermarket wheel.
Oh, yeah.
High offset 22x9, and then something that looks good on like a leveling kit, something where we don't have to trim as much. You know? I think that would be pretty cool.
I know a lot of people like the show truck look that stick out that far, but we do have I'd probably say it's probably 50-50.
Yeah.
People like the look of the 22s, but most aftermarket wheels are 22x10s, which still have that negative offset that stick out 2 inches.
Yeah.
So if they had those positive offsets, I think we would sell a lot more.
Yeah, absolutely. Especially for people that don't want trimming. Trimming is just something you have to do with, a high negative or negative offset. So
yeah,
it'd be pretty cool to see.
Yeah, absolutely. I think that wraps it up for the wheel and tire suspension that we want to see in 2023.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of my pretty face.
I think they're looking at me, to be honest. But check us out on more YouTube videos. Hope to see you guys again.
Thanks, guys.